Hey guys, what's going on? We're back in action here. Okay, this time we are going to be trading the FOMC. All right, so it's definitely something that you know what I mean. We got to be careful when we're trading. Okay, so just 1 second, guys. I just got to send this to the group, and then we're going to get right down to business here. Okay, guys, we're not going to be going for very long. Okay, but we're definitely going to see how this opens, see how the news drops, and see what happens here. Okay. All right, so here we go. This is US30 on the 5 minute. Okay, we're in a clear area right now where things start to fall below here, guys. You know what I mean? We can look for potential entry here. Okay, if things start to go bullish, you know what I mean. And guys, if this news drops like pretty heavy, you know what I mean, we can definitely see a lot of erratic movement here. Okay, so guys, be very cautious when trading at this time. Okay, news time is it can be very dangerous when you're actually trading. Okay, so always make sure you have proper risk management in hand, right? And you're not looking to just randomly enter on any kind of whim. You know what I mean? You're definitely going to be entering on with trying to be as potentially right as possible. Okay, so I'm just going to set up a couple zones right now. Obviously the news is going to drop, it's going to do what it's going to do. Okay, last time it took a couple hours to pretty much get into the actual momentum. Okay, but you know what I mean, this news is going to drop at 2 p.m. Okay, so we can at least catch the first like half hour of it and see what's going to happen here. All right, and it's pretty much you know what I mean, anything can happen. Okay, so I'm going to gather my last potential take profit if it's going to be bullish. Okay, which is like at a nice high here. Okay, for the US30. Okay, so let's just see what's going to happen here. All right, if anything drops, guys, we're going to be ready for it. Okay, or drops or pops. For NASDAQ, okay, we traded this one. We caught the buy and the sell this morning. Okay, so I'm going to chart it basically on the 5 minute, and then we're going to go in between there, and we're going to look for our overall scalps and our moves basically at the open. Okay, so as you can tell, I'm charting this right on the whim. Okay, so make sure you're understanding proper risk management when you're taking these trades. Guys, like I said, we are not like advisors, so if you're kind of confused about how this works and stuff like that, make sure you just talk to someone who is like, make sure it's right for you, because trading can be definitely a very erratic time. You know, I mean, if you don't always understand what you're doing, right? So, but that's okay, guys. That's why we're here. You know what I mean? We're ready to kind of make some pips, help you guys out a little bit, and see if we can kill this FOMC. Okay, so basically this is NAS. Okay, so you can tell we've made a good little bottom. We're starting to make an uptrend here. Okay, but let's just see if this is going to hold or if this is going to potentially pop or drop. Okay, so a long position, something like this. Okay, and I think that with the news push we can possibly get up there. Okay, I was up there before. And then obviously if we have a short position, all right, I'm looking more at something like this and then for it to fall. Okay, but where it can fall to, roughly right around this area right here, then potentially the bottom right there. Okay, so the yeah, this is the big news. This is a big news folder, guys. This is massive news. FOMC always kind of makes the market go nuts a little bit. So that's what I'm saying. Be careful, guys. Like this is no joke. This is not just, you know what I mean, fun buy and sell trading. This is like, it's serious stuff. Okay, because accounts can be detrimental. So just keep that in mind. Okay. Okay, so what we're looking for, guys, is if any of them right down there, I do have like that entry right there. The only reason why it's right there, I'm going to put it there simply because we'll get a break and a clean retest. Okay, so we have a break to the downside. What would happen is something like this. It's going to break into profit with a retest, and then we're going to have a continuation. Okay, and the same thing if it breaks to the upside up around here. Okay, break, retest, and then we have a continuation. Okay, so let's just wait and see how this is going to go. This is FOMC NAS100. Guys, I'm telling you right now, there's no one trading this type of thing on the 5-minute candles. Okay, it's very hard to, it's very erratic. Okay, and then we have US30 already kind of charted here. Okay, so we'll wait and see. All right. Okay, so that's where I have a potential entry right down there. It already made it, but I want to see if it's going to fall down in there. Okay, stop loss right at the denture. Okay, guys, I know it looks a little weird, but if you follow how I trade and how Ron trades, you know what I mean. I like to get it set up like this. No, I don't use many indicators. Um, it's something that, you know what I mean, you just got to have a little bit more experience with. Okay, so let's just be cautious when we're trading here. Okay, like I said, we'll go for about an hour. News will drop in about 10 minutes. Okay. Okay. So guys, we're all set up now. Okay, guys, and if you're not used to this channel, just hit the like and subscribe button. You know what I mean? We'll definitely be trading tonight too. We've already went live this morning, so it's something that you want to make sure you join the part. At least subscribe to the channel, join the team in terms of free Telegram group. Okay. Okay, so we got about, like I said, 10 minutes until this news drops. Okay, guys, this is, like I said, big news. You know what I mean? Big news. Okay. Put in the chat box. FOMC stands for Federal Open Market Committee, and they determine the direction of the monetary policy as a branch of the Federal Reserve System. So this is very big. And guys, how this affects traders is we're going to go right here. We're going to check out this folder, okay, and why traders care. It's a primary tool where the FOMC uses to communicate with the investors about monetary policy. It contains the outcome of their vote, of interest rates and other policy measures, along with a commentary about the economic conditions that influence their votes. Most importantly, it discusses the economic outlook and offers clues to the outcome of future votes. Guys, that is huge news. Okay, and then at 2:32 we have the press conference. Okay, so keep that in mind. It's something that it has a lot of impact. Okay. So we'll be trading till about 2:45, and then we'll probably wrap it up. And Ron is going to be going live tonight with you guys. And for our snipers, we'll be doing a live or a private Zoom room for questions and just go over some basic topics. Okay. Okay. So just being patient here, guys. Guys, don't like. There's no entering in prematurely. You know what I mean? This is something that you need to wait, have patience for. Okay, it's definitely very important, you know what I mean, to make sure you're understanding this. Okay, this is not a joke. This is something you really need to understand if you want to continue trading. Okay, what's FF? Telegram with FF. We have a private mentorship group. Okay, it's right here at stocksnappertrading.com. This is just one of the blogs that we have recapped. Okay, so how to trade indices at market open. Obviously, we give you great information here, give you full charts, breakdown, different types of analysis. Okay, our homepage. One thing you want to definitely do, guys, is just head over there. scroll down to the bottom, okay? Join, just subscribe, guys. Like I said, I send pretty much one day a newsletter, letting you know about what we are, how we do, and basically it's similar to a blog. And then if you like what you see, guys, obviously you can drop the monthly membership and join us like that. Okay, so it's well worth it. A lot of the guys made killer coin this morning and have been doing it all week. So check that out if you want. But if you're not going to be able to, like I said, join, at least have just sign up for the newsletter at least. That way you can see what we do. Okay. Okay. So a minute left. Then this will be 155. Okay. And then we'll be going into the open. Okay. There's NASDAQ bouncing around, guys. Okay, and what might happen here, guys, is we might get a little bit of a push, and then it might be a little slow, okay? And then it might continue after that meeting is done. But what could happen is we could see some nice erratic behavior. If that's the case, we'll be ready for it, okay? Okay. Guys, is there any kind of questions? We don't normally trade at this time. There's still a good amount of people that are logged on, so that's fantastic. I definitely appreciate that, guys. If you don't mind, maybe just hit that like button. You know what I mean? Subscribe if you're not subscribed to our channel already. More likes we get, guys, better algorithm we get put into, and it's just overall better for the channel. So if you like what you see, guys, like I said, join up and show us those thumbs, okay? I'm gonna when myself, Ron, Blair, when we're trading right now, okay, like these news events, you know what I mean? It's fun, it's exciting, but you guys have to remember we need to find the direction of a trend, okay? Or else you're just gonna be hitting head fake candles like this. Like for real, what could happen is it shoots up, okay, then it shoots right back down, then it shoots right back up, okay? That's what we want to ignore, okay? Like that's how traders get dusted, and you know what I mean, they're not having too many accounts left, or if they have their account left, you know what I mean. So we just want to make sure that we're seeing the trend, we're having it open, we're showing you guys what actually happens, and then we're finding the trend based on that, and then obviously we can have a continuation. And guys, what I might do for gold is I might trade gold as well. Okay, I'm gonna just chart this very quickly, so bear in mind with me. We'll see what's gonna happen. Okay, this is a bonus for you. I didn't put it in the title, but if gold does want to do things that we like I said, we'll look to trade some gold. Okay. Okay, so we got a potential break there. And then if it starts, guys, all around here. Okay. If it goes bullish, like I said, we're heading at this area right there. And then a continuation for roughly right around the top there. Okay, so I'm not going to use the support and resistance. I'm going to use more of a supply zone there. Okay. So guys, if gold dumps, like I said, we'll be ready for it. And if it pumps, we'll be ready for it. Okay, I'm not going to do any kind of charting on gold just right now in terms of putting a take profit or anything like that. We'll just wait and see kind of what happens here. Okay, if it dumps down, okay, like I said, we'll be ready for it. Okay, we can have a nice little stop loss area, maybe right there. Okay, if it pumps, like I said, we'll be ready for it as well. All right. Something like this. I'm looking for a breakout more around this area right here, okay? For an entry, maybe right around there. I'm putting it there, but like honestly, my stop loss would be right there. That's what I'm looking for, if anything, for bullish on gold. Okay, I'm not looking for these minor moves in here. Okay, if it starts to break down here, like I said, we can look for maybe a potential entry up here. But we'll figure gold out when it happens, okay? Gold is in a bad spot right now for me personally. I don't really want to look to trade it, but these are the clean breaks right there. The stop losses, like I said, these can be interchangeable. Okay, we can move on these as they come. Okay, but again, like I said, I have other eyes on this, like NASDAQ. Okay, so if it breaks below there, guys, like I said, we can have the tight stop loss there. If it even goes into a buy, like I said, I'll redirect you and I'll get it, and we'll look at doing something like that, okay? But for right now, like I said, just be patient with this, okay? I'm not looking to interact or take any forceful moves here because, like I said, we get humbled pretty quickly when we do things like that, okay? So let's just wait and see. If it goes bearish, like I said, we're ready right here. If it goes bullish, like I said, we'll be ready too, okay? So let's wait and see. We have 1 minute until these news starts to drop. So let's see what's going to happen, guys. Okay, so wait 1 second. Gold actually just started to fall in there. Okay. So let's see, guys. Let's see. So I got pushed back up. NASDAQ is just consolidating. US30 potentially falling in the sell. Okay. Let's see if it's going to continue, guys. Guys, understand lot sizes here. Understand spreads, guys. This is dangerous time to trade. I'm telling you this right now. So be patient. Be patient here, okay? Okay, so there's potential sell on US30. Let's see if it's going to hold. Okay. Boom. First take profit hit, guys. Let's see if we can get to our second. Okay, see how it's pushing up right there, that erratic behavior? Check that out, guys. Check that out. That's no joke, okay? No joke. Let's check out NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ. Same thing, guys. It shot right into the sell. Let's see if it's going to continue here, okay? Let's see if it's going to continue. Then let's check out gold. Look at gold, guys. Wow. Boom. Gold just shot right through, guys. Unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that, guys. I got to go back down and find some more. Like if this thing drops, guys, this thing can drop to at least right here. Okay? If gold is going to continue to sell, for real, it's going to get right down to this area right here. Okay? Let's just wait and see. I'm going to leave this buy alone for now. We know where the buying opportunity is. Okay, I might just keep it there just to show you. Look at that, guys. Remember how I told you erratic behavior? Look at this. This is insanity, guys. This is insanity on gold. Okay? Look at your spreads, guys. Look at your spreads. This is nuts. Okay, there's gold. Look at that, guys. Gold ran right off that ramp. Okay, it's still up 23 pips, but look at this erratic behavior, guys. This is bananas. Okay, let's see US30. Right, like I told you guys, erratic behavior pushing right back up. Okay, so let's see what's going to happen. If they're going to push it bullish or they're going to switch it to bearish. Okay, look at NASDAQ, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's approaching. Let's see if it's going to hit. Okay, this. Remember I told you guys, wait and be patient. Don't enter in anything because why? It's erratic behavior time. Guys, it's bananas here, okay? Just be patient with this. Okay, let's check out US30 now. Look at it flipped, okay? Let's see if it's going to flip and keep continue or if it's actually going to look for a potential sell. Very positive, guys. It's looking very good so far. Okay, and then we have our take profits, obviously. We have 1, 2, and if we get all the way up there, we have 3, okay? If not, guys, it might just fill that bottom wick and continue, okay? So let's just be patient with this. Yeah, your stop loss was hit because you jumped in the market so too soon, man. You know what I mean? I'm looking for the overall directional trend. That could have been a liquidity grab. You know what I mean? And then they push it to the bullish upside. That's what I'm saying. Like you want to always be patient and wait. You know what I mean? You're not entering in right on that impulse candle because if you did, as you can see, you know what I mean. It hits your stop loss. It's too erratic, right? So that's where you want to make sure. Look at that, guys. See what I mean? Look at that. I told you guys, erratic behavior it's crazy, guys. But look at this. So, and like I said, guys, you can go back in the call. You got to be very patient when you're taking these trades, and you can't enter in prematurely. Like this initial candle, like I didn't trade it. I didn't touch anything. Okay, like I'm waiting to see the overall direction of this trend of the continuation. Because look, guys, as you can tell, there's no point in trading stuff like this. Like if you want to try to be a gambler, sure, that's what you're doing. You're gambling. You know what I mean? You're gambling on that because what happens if that head fake right down, then shot right back up? Like it would hit your stop loss, but it would also, really destroy your account, right? So that's why having a good, you know, area to trade in, making sure you're patient, and obviously just understanding not to trade news right on the first impulse candle because that's how they get most traders here. Okay, see how they're going to fill the wick now, right? So let's just see if they're going to continue it bearish or they're going to push it up bullish. That's a lot of bullish momentum right there, guys. That's a lot of bullish momentum. Like there's a lot of selling power in there. Okay, and a lot of times gold does fill wicks. So it could come back down and fill this wick right here, but we just got to wait and see. Okay, and that's why entering in. Oh, okay, good. You're not in anything. Perfect, man. Good. Good. For gold, it didn't really hit our stop loss. See, there's no wick right in there pushing it up. For the indices, yeah, for sure. We would have hit a, not really actually, tell you the truth. See what I mean? It didn't even make it all the way up there. Okay. So it's wouldn't, even if you got in the buy or you got in the sell, you're still actually okay because you have the right zone drawn out, right? Let's check on NASDAQ to see if it's actually the same thing. NASDAQ, actually, you would have hit a stop loss, okay? So that's something 100%. But the thing is, like, remember I told you guys, don't enter in right away because, like, that impulse candle would have just, honestly, it would have had huge impact on your account because that candle alone, guys, that's an 87 pip candle. Like there's no way that a lot of accounts can handle that, right? So definitely be patient with these entries, especially on this news. You know what I mean? It's something that you got to just understand. Just wait till the next candle. Let's catch the trend and see what we can work with here. Okay, so gold is still in that sell. Okay, let's see if it's going to continue or if it's going to start to go bullish. All right, we have our, you know what I mean, our actual like buy situation set up and ready. So let's just see what's going to happen here. Okay, and same with the US30, guys. Okay, so right there, so I'm saying they pushed it down, pushed it up, and now we're going to wait and see what's going to happen overall. Okay. Okay, so just checking my spreads, guys, seeing what's going on here. Okay, so now if you notice the US30, it's starting to potentially go bearish again. It might look to fill this wick right here, okay? And if that's the case, guys, then you know what I mean? It's potentially looking good, all right? Yeah, the stop loss, guys, is the red, okay? This is an entry, green is entry, red is stop loss. The points are right there, okay? If you're new to the channel, guys, that's kind of how I do it. You know what I mean? But like I said, that's the numbers right there. Entry for a sell 3534947. Stop loss 35004. And as you can tell, if you got in the sell right there and a push buy, it didn't hit your stop loss. Okay, so it's all about support and resistance, guys. All right. So okay, so there's US30. Let's check out gold here for 1 second. Okay, gold is still in good profit, guys. Do you recommend taking a sell right now? No, not really. I would wait until see if we can start to break down here. We can start to break 1794 area, you know what I mean? The push down, we might be able to get a nice little grab in there, but we'll wait and see, okay? Okay, so it is sort of falling, but these big wicks. Gold does like to fill wicks, okay? So yeah, the set numbers, guys, are right here. Okay, so like the entry point would be right there. The stop loss is right there on the side. Okay, it says right there 1800.09. Okay, those are set number. I don't go by basically 10, 20 pips. I go based on market structure, and that's how everyone should be trading. Okay, so it's still looking good for the potential sell here. Let's see if it's going to start to dump down. Okay, let's check out US30. Okay, pushing to the upside. Okay, so keep that in mind, guys. And guys, if you did get burned, okay, it happens to the best of us. I've done it too, okay? If you did get burned on this wick, or this candle right here open, you should remember to never trade the first candle on news, okay? Wait a little bit, let it get its trend, and then you can determine which way it's actually going to go, okay? Is USD bullish? Let's check. There you go. There's US news right there, okay? That's a US dollar index, okay? So you can see a lot of bullish momentum right there. They pushed it up, okay? So there's NASDAQ now, all right? Guys, if you're watching the video too, just hit the like button. You know what I mean? The guy who hit the didn't like button, if you got burned, like I said, shoot us a message. Let us know what we did wrong, and we can adjust accordingly. Okay? We welcome everything. US30 is kind of hovering around. Wait till we get some overall direction. So my man Aaron, guys, cashed out $3,000. $3,000. Right there. There's the ticket. Guys, I'm gonna send this to the sniper group. Okay, in the FX group, if you're not following, please go check this out. This is my man in a funding talent challenge, so he's going to keep 80% profits of this. I know he's pumped. Okay, so there we go, guys. There's gold right there. Okay, pushed right back up. All right, so look at that bullish candle there. So broke through, guys. Okay, went in bullish. Okay, remember I told you guys, wait for these candles. Wait for these candles. Okay, so now what you want to do is make sure you understand that this stop loss right there, okay, if you want to move it back down to where it was, I wasn't even on this one, guys. I was looking at the NAS and US30, okay? But that's a bullish, huge bullish engulfing candlestick, all right? Huge. Okay, so blue right back there. All right, let's see what the entry point was. Guys, I told you about erratic behavior, guys. It's crazy. Let's see if we can hit our first take profit. If this thing breaks above here, guys, it's going to continue. All right, that's huge. Head fake city, guys. We told you from the beginning of the call. The glitch is about 15 seconds, man. We have it fixed on low latency. Yeah, we missed. The reason why you didn't see it is because I wasn't even on the chart for gold. Okay, so all that should have been fixed, and I'm pretty sure it still is considering the low latencies. So if it's not, then yeah, we'll look into it. Okay, so let's see if we're going to get a US30 sell-off or we're going to get a push. Let's see with gold now, guys. Everyone likes gold. Look at that big wick, guys. Like I told you, it's erratic behavior, okay? Okay, so now we're looking potentially to fill here, all right? Let's wait and see. If it starts to break below here, guys, like I said, the sell can still be possible, okay? We have a big wick at the bottom and a big wick at the top. Gold fills wicks, guys. If you don't know how to trade gold, I'm telling you right now, it fills wicks. We just have to see which wick it's going to fill, okay? If it's gonna hold here, it's gonna continue bullish. If it's gonna break here, it's gonna go back into bearish territory, okay? So that's pretty much, you know what I mean, how it is. And guys, this is guys, this is FOMC. This is news open, guys. I can't tell you anything else. Like I've said it enough times on the call where it's very volatile. You know what I mean? You got to be ready for quick scalps. Quick, quick, quick. Okay, now US is kind of just chilling here. Let's check out NASDAQ. Making a way for a potential bull move here, okay? Let's see. Guys, if you're not in the free group, join the Telegram group. Aaron is up 3 grand. Another one of our guys is up 950 from these calls. It's no joke, guys. So if you're missing it, you know what I mean. Join the free Telegram group. Okay, the link is in. One sec, I'll pin it to the actual. Okay, so it's already pinned, guys. So check out the pin message. Okay, let me read some of these. Aaron made 3 grand on NAS. Okay, Masha killed gold. Good. Gord said the YouTube is lagging. Okay, well, I already talked about that one. So, guys, if you made profit, good job. You know what I mean? It's huge. Let's see if we can get this continuation here, okay? That's NASDAQ. Let's check out US30. Finding a little bit of bullish support here. Let's see if it's going to push to the upside, okay? And let's check out gold. There you go, guys. Gold is back in the sell. Look at this, guys. You see what I'm saying? Erratic behavior, guys. I'm not liking that right now. I think the overall direction might be bearish, but we'll wait and see, guys. If we start to get above there again, like I said, we can enter, but it's, keep in mind, guys, I have said it time and time again, erratic behavior, okay? Be cautious. Guys, if you listen, if you're on the call, Aaron works full-time job. Okay, I'm not gonna tell you what he does, but he wants out. This guy just made his monthly salary today. Today, you know what I mean? Isn't that crazy? So, Aaron, huge congratulations, brother. You out of everyone, I'm super, super proud of you. Okay, for real, I'm super proud of you, man. US30 is going bullish a little bit. Let's see if we'll get a breakout here. NASDAQ is finding a little bit of support for the bullish. Okay, so let's see if it's going to hold here, if it's going to tank back down, okay? There we go, guys. Let's see if this is going to tank here. I'm going to keep flipping back and forth. Which one, guys? The first five indices, you know what I mean? If I see US30, NAS, or gold, the first five that I see, I'm going to stick on that chart for a full few minutes. Okay, so let me know what you guys want to see. You need to let me know, okay? Gold. Okay, guys, gold is right here if you're looking at it. Okay, if it goes bullish, it's right there. You know what I mean? We have the buy. Right now, it's an indecision. Okay, so if you're not in any kind of gold trade, just wait. Just wait on it, okay? Wait on it, and then we'll act accordingly after that. Okay? Let me just clean this up a little bit. Oh, there's so many people wanting to see so many things. We can do that. Okay, US30, guys, I'm going to tell you what I think a lot of people want to see the indices, okay? US30 is still consolidating, okay? So we're going to need a little bit of more movement to determine what we're going to trade, okay? See how it's consolidating right in there. I needed for it to break out of that box, okay, for US30. So I can't trade that right now, okay? NASDAQ, it's flip-flopping, okay? It's bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. We need a confirmation buy on NASDAQ, okay, which is this. It breaks above, retest, and then confirmation, okay? If you break it down, same thing. Break, retest, confirmation, okay? So right now, guys, the only one that really is looking good is maybe gold, because it's going to potentially look like it's going to go bullish again, okay? So if you're getting in that entry on gold, guys, just be very cautious with this, okay? Very cautious. Okay, so a lot of wicks, a lot of definitely news. You can tell it was in here. Okay. Look at that, guys, pushing it down. That's something I'm waiting for this, guys. I'm waiting to see what's going to happen. If they're going to fill for the next move, okay? It's a lot of wicks on both sides, guys. It's very, this is challenging to trade. I won't lie to you, okay? It's not something that I like to trade like this. You know what I mean? It's crazy news. You know what I mean? News is starting to determine which trend it's going to happen. You know what I mean? Let's see if it was positive or negative, okay? Let's see what happened here. Okay, the news folder at 2 p.m. It's still, nothing has been posted just yet, okay? It's still happening. At 2:30, guys, watch. In 10 minutes, this thing is going to destroy, or I don't know what's going to happen at 2:30, guys. I can just tell you that this next candle is going to be crazy erratic at 2:30, okay? So not this candle, but the following candle, okay? Let's check out what's going on with US30 here. Okay, we're getting a little bit of break to the upside, guys. Okay, see, but they got to break out of this box, guys. They need to break out of the box here. They need to do something like this. I keep showing you, but I'll do it again, just so you guys can see. They need to break, confirm, retest, okay? Same thing. Guys, I'm telling you, at 2:30, this candle is going to be very similar to last candle. It's not going to be fun. And the same thing, guys. It's going to break with a retest and confirmation. Okay. Let's check out NASDAQ. Okay, so we're still trying to push up bullish, guys. Okay. I haven't taken any trade. I got in that gold buy a little bit. I cut it quick, though, simply because I saw the potential reversal on all these wicks. But wait until, you know what I mean? Wait till this next candle. This candle will close in a minute. Wait 6 minutes, guys, and then we'll see what's going to happen here, okay? Gold is my first choice, for sure it is, but I don't. And Doug, this is for you, buddy. Gold is always my first choice, man. I personally love gold. Okay, me and Ron have been trading gold for a long time. Like, I'm serious. If there's anybody who loves gold, it's no one loves gold better than me and Ron. I am telling you right now. Okay, we've lived and died. We've blown accounts on this, but we still trade it because it's some of our favorite. It's one of our favorite things to trade. Okay. I'm not trading odd USD right now. If you want to get that kind of stuff, guys, please join the monthly membership. We can provide that type of analysis for you there. It's $29.99. The link is actually in the chat box. But gold is definitely our favorite. Small moves can add up, but it's erratic. And right now, guys, there's no directional trend. You see red. One second, I don't know my red, green, red, big wicks. You know what I mean? It's not my first choice right now, okay? But is it my first choice other than that? Absolutely, man. Absolutely. You can tell all the alerts. Half them are the trade ideas, guys. We send about 3 to 5 a day. Majority of them are actually on gold. So trust me when I say, my man, gold is our first choice, but we just got to find some direction on this, okay? Okay, so new candle forming. Okay, this next one will be your 230, guys. This is going to be another very big folder for us, okay? So we'll wait and see. US30 is priming up for a potential pump, I think. Okay, you see what I'm saying? They found a bottom, nice liquidity grab right here, that big wick. Now they're pushing it back up a little bit, okay? What I'm going to do here is give me 1 second. Sorry about this. So you can see a little bit better, okay? Doug, you love it? Yeah, buddy. It's fun, man. Gold is fun. When you can understand how to trade it, small micro movements add up. See how NASDAQ, guys, it's not pushing to the upside that is needed yet. Okay? Not to say it can't, but just keep in mind. Guys, I've been trading for a while, you know what I mean, so have Ron. This is not advice, but whenever there's big wicks, guys, a lot of the times these traders like to, or the market makers, they like to fill the wicks. Okay, for some reason, gold always has it happen. It might happen today, it might happen, tonight, but you will see that wick being filled. Okay, I can guarantee you this. 2 minutes and under 3 minutes left. Okay. So let's go back, maybe check out gold one last time. See what I mean? It's kind of hovering right now. Guys, thanks for all the likes, guys. There's like 30 some odd people on here. If you hit that like button, you know what I mean? And if you don't, if you hit if you don't like the button, the not like button, just send us a message and let us know why. Okay? For real. We welcome all feedback. We want everyone to be having a fun time when we're on this. And obviously, if you want more a little bit in-depth analysis, we do have other programs that we personally do, me and Ron. Okay? So I haven't taken off any charts, guys. I haven't removed anything. I'm still so pumped for Aaron right now. Guys, if man, sorry, there's a guy in the call that has been really grinding at FX, okay? He made 3 grand today on this call. He keeps 80% of that. Guys, that is going to change his life. Like, you guys don't understand. That is going to change his life because he's now understanding how to be a consistent trader with us. So, I'm so proud of him, man. I keep looking at his ticket. It's awesome. His gold will be, we're gonna wait, man. We're gonna wait for this next candle, okay, before we determine anything. It's in no man's land right now. You can see we had a nice sell. The thing ran like that thing, guys. That thing ran like 60 pips. Okay, then it pushed back up for like, you know what I mean, 60. So it ran, it sold 60, ran 60. People banked on both buy and sell when I told them to just wait till the market wait till we get a next candle. But yeah, you know what I mean. We just have to wait and see. Okay. Guys, just hit the like button, subscribe. Like, trust me, we're here to make you some pips. Okay. Okay, so gold is potentially looking a little bit bullish here. We'll wait till this next candle closes in 5 seconds, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Okay. This is the 2:30 meeting time. Okay. US30. Okay. Potentially selling off. Let's see. NASDAQ. Potentially selling off. Let's see, guys. That's a thing with FOMC, guys. They have back to back. It's at, listen, let's see what this news is going to be like. Okay, it hasn't been released yet. Okay, the funds. Uh, that's my cell phone, guys. Sorry about that. I'm gonna. Okay, sorry, guys. I just had to answer that. Old school ringtone, man. That's how you got to roll. Okay, so gold, like I said, it's entering in a potential buy here. Okay, it's looking to fill this wick right here. I don't know if it's going to be potential sells anymore, but we'll wait and see. Okay, if it gets hammered back down, like I said, just take small lot sizes. Okay, very small lot sizes. Okay, US30 is potentially selling off. Potentially. Okay, don't enter before, guys. Don't enter before. Wait and see. It's going to consolidate right in this trap, right in this area right here. Okay. NASDAQ sold off a bit. Got wicked back up for potential buyers coming in the market here, okay? Okay, so I'm going to stay till 2:45, guys. Okay? That's 2 more candles. So let's wait and see what's going to happen here, okay? Let's go back to gold. Gold's making some sort of a nice move. Ah, look at gold, guys. Look at this, guys. Like, this is... I can't make this stuff up, guys, okay? So, like, around this time, you're gonna have erratic behavior, like I'm telling you. There's no clear indication that if you're buying and selling on the first candle of open news, you're probably gonna get burned. Okay, for real. Like, you might get you might get lucky a few times, but eventually you're going to get cocky where it's like, okay, I'm getting this, I'm getting this, I'm getting this. And then all of a sudden you hit a standard on a gold trade that drops 100, 150 pips, and then you wiped out all your gains. It's called a boom and bust. You know what I mean? That's called a boom and buster. People boom in terms of gaining their accounts, and then they bust it all in one trade, and they're not willing to let it go. Okay, a lot of the times it happens on news, and they don't even realize it. But that's what I'm saying. You need to be very cautious of what you're trading, how you trade it, and your lot sizes. Okay. Okay, it's been a crazy session so far, guys. Guys banked hard, so let's just see if they're going to continue. Nasdaq is selling off a little bit. Okay. See if we can get some news here, some updates. Nothing yet. Press conference is just happening. 4 minutes in, 2 minutes. I can bet you anytime there's going to be news dropped in this kind of press conference, guys. This is going to shake the market. It may not happen on this call, but I'm telling you guys, this is going to shake the market. I can see these big pips dropping, you know what I mean, simply on news, okay? There's US30 finding some nice bullish momentum there, okay? Looking pretty good. US30 has been very very bullish as of late, okay? So you just got to keep that in mind. Okay, so selling off here. Okay. Okay, so we got 3 minutes and 45 seconds left. Okay. See gold here for a second. I have a feeling about gold. Yeah, see what I mean, guys? Gold, I had a feeling it's been very bearish all day. I'm not liking gold. Do you see what I'm saying? This is the reason why I'm not liking gold, guys. A lot of head fakes here, okay? Like, can't even begin to fathom these types of head fakes. But I think gold may drop a little bit, you know what I mean, judging by this news. Because look, guys, they're going to try to fill this bottom wick down here. If they do that, it's not bad, okay? Still 3 minutes left. Let's see. Let's see if it's going to go bullish, guys. Oh, God, look at this guy. See, guys, I can't really, like, this is crazy erratic, guys. See what I mean? It just head fakes you to the point where you don't even know what's going on. Okay? Look at that. I just moved it out of the sell. Okay? That's why, Doug, guys, keep this in mind. Okay? Like, gold is not necessarily always the best thing to trade during these types of things. So, if you're trading it, guys, just be very cautious. You know what I mean? It might have some nice bullish momentum here eventually, but just keep that in mind to be very cautious when you're trading it, okay? I just have to laugh at it because it's so, you love it so much, but then you hate it at the same time. It's something that, you know what I mean, it will always be the favorite, but it's hard to trade sometimes, guys, especially on opens. Like, It's very, it can head fake you a lot. Okay. Okay, so it's still kind of consolidating in here, guys. Don't worry. For the members, guys, we'll update you on these trades. Okay, so just keep that in mind. You'll have nothing to worry about. We'll keep you up, keep you postponed. Look at Nasdaq, guys. Okay, so Nasdaq sold up, then it got pushed back up. See, so it sold down, found a bottom here, then it retraced, might go back bullish, or if not, it's just going to potentially sell off and go bearish. Okay, might fill that bottom wick right there. We'll wait and see. Okay, gold is actually. So I'm saying it's back bullish now. It's, hey man, this is gold, guys. That's why I didn't really kind of want to trade it too much during this call, but you know what I mean. People want to see gold. People want to see gold. So you got to give the people what they want to see. There we go, guys. Bam. I just took $200 on gold on that buy. I'll send it to the group. There we go, guys. Let's see if it's going to pump or dump. Guys, you got to be careful, okay? Just be patient with this. Guys, we're trading this on our phones. Like, one thing you guys got to understand is, like, if you don't think we're trading, you're wrong. Like, Ron and I, oh my goodness, I should have held that thing. God. Ron and I are trading on our phones, guys. Like, we're on our phones. Like, so we buy stop and sell stop fast, but you know what I mean? It's something that it's not always the easiest to do. Okay, so okay, guys, we got 4 more minutes left, guys. Gold is running. It found finally a little bit of a trend, guys. Gold is running 60, roughly 60 pips. Okay, our chat is going bananas right now. Okay, it's going good, so can't complain there. So guys, if you're new, like I said, new to the channel, just hit the like and subscribe button, guys. Give us some love. Trust me. Been hit like this one we actually saw. Okay, so that one ran 60 pips. All right. Let's see what's going on with Nasdaq and US30's finding. There we go, guys. Let's see US30. Okay. Might be finding some bullish break here. There we go, guys. US30 starting to make a little run. See Nasdaq here. Nasdaq is already in profit, guys. I didn't even go here yet, but look, it's in profit. Okay, shooting up. Let's go. Okay, there's TP1. Then we got TP2. Toilet paper 3. All right. US30, guys, tried to push up, got rejected, okay? And let's see gold. Oh wow, gold. Huge. Guys, see, look at this. Can't make this stuff up, guys. Can't make this erratic behavior up. So that's why I don't always, like I've been telling you before, I'm not always a huge fan of, you know what I mean, trading gold on these types of opens. I've been burned, you know what I mean, a lot of people have been burned, but it's just the wicks, guys. It's the wicks. You got to be very, very precise when you're trading gold on like these news days, okay? Just being honest with you. So yeah, I'm going to stay for about a minute and 30 seconds left, guys, and you can check Ron out tonight. Guys, in the group, I will update you. No issues, okay? US30 potentially going bullish here, okay? Let's see NASDAQ. NASDAQ is getting pushed back down, okay? So, guys, this is going to be good. So, guys, in our group, like I said, this is going to be continued pretty much after the call, okay? So, guys, if you're not in our group, so just be patient here. Take down these numbers, okay? All the way up here, guys, like 15,006, 15,030, 15,074, 15,100, guys. Those are potential take profits for if it's bullish, okay? And same thing, I'm not even going to look for really bearish right now simply because I do believe it's going to go bullish, okay? But if that changes, like I said, you just break it down here. First take profit is 14,093, 14,865, okay? So there's plenty of different things that you know what I mean, you need to just be patient for and wait, okay? Look at that, guys. See, they do you dirty sometimes. You know what I mean? Like you think this thing's gonna run, and guys, if you bought at the top, that's who they're trying to get right here. This candle right here, what they're saying is, market makers like, okay, we're gonna push it up there, we're gonna bleed the buyers who are chasing FOMO, fear of missing out. You know what I mean? If you bought up there, guys, they're hammering it back down. Okay, you might get a nice little retracement coming back up, but again, you might get a nice sell-off here because see, they closed it below the 1802.98, and now they might get a little retest and a continuation down. If it fills back up here, you might just be lucky. You know what I mean? But if you bought up here, guys, you're chasing. You know what I mean? That's detrimental to your account. Okay. Okay, guys, it is 2:45. Okay, I have to scoot. Okay, guys, US30 is going bullish. Okay, let's see if it's going to hold. All right, so just keep that in mind. NASDAQ, we'll check this one last play. Potentially going bullish here too. Okay, I gave you some profits for NASDAQ. All right, and I'll update you guys in this in the free FX group. So guys, go to the pinned message right now on Stock Sniper Trading, like in the chat. Go to our FX group, okay? Just join it, okay? It's free. It's nothing cost anything. I'll update this when I get back from my appointment and see where we're at based on that, okay? I won't change anything, and we'll just roll like that, okay? So, and make sure to check out tonight at 9 o'clock. Ron's going live, okay? And then for the members at 7 o'clock, you'll be getting a private Zoom call, okay? So, thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. You know what I mean? Thanks. We got some subscribers here, so I really appreciate all of the people joining and taking the time out of your day. I hope everyone had a wonderful call, and you know, we made some good pips, and we're looking forward to doing it more on and more on. Okay, so thanks, guys.